Hi students, in this video we're going to discuss about the continuation of coordinate geometry video, like where we are going to discuss about collinearity conditions and locus and transformation of axis. Mainly we are going to discuss those points. So already మనకి పాత వీడియోలో we discussed about coordinate geometry, like the point of congruency, area of triangle అంతా చూసుకున్నాము. దాని కంటిన్యూషన్ ఇది అన్నమాట. Okay, right. So for example, collinearity. What first of all you should know the definition of collinearity, Nana. So what is the definition of collinearity here? So means like for example, three or more points are lying on same line. అనుకుంటే మనం అప్పుడు దాన్ని కొల్లినియర్ అని చెప్తాము. కొల్లినియర్ పాయింట్స్ విల్ జస్ట్ సింప్లీ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ కొల్లినియర్ పాయింట్స్, రైట్ స్టూడెంట్స్? ఇప్పుడు లైక్ we have three points a x1 comma y1, b x2 y2, c x3 y3. So we know that if 3 points are lying on a line means they are not forming any triangle. That means the area of triangle is what on a 0. Ante like if collinear points తీసుకుంటే simply area of triangle ABC is what on a 0. అంటే సింపుల్ గా హాఫ్ ఇంటూ x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, that is equals to 0. So this is what we can say. Simply ఎప్పుడన్నా వాడు కొల్లిదర్ మీద క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తే we can say that area of triangle is 0 అనుకో తీసేసుకొని we can use this condition now. ఎందుకు? Because 3 points on line ఉంటే triangle form అవదు. So if it is not forming a triangle then area is 0. So ఆ కండిషన్ పెట్టుకొని చేసుకోవచ్చు, right? Okay, look at this question now. So find the values of k for which the points k plus 1, 2k minus 2 minus k, and దీన్ని మనం x1 y1 అనుకుందాం for example. Then this is x2 y2 and this is x3 and y3, right? So means what ఇప్పుడే కొల్లినియర్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి half of what is the formula? x1 into y2 minus y3, right, plus x2. What is x2, nana? 1 minus k. So 1 minus k into x2 into y3 minus y1. So 3 minus k minus of 2 minus k, right, plus x3. So what is x3, nana? 2 plus k into y1 minus y2. So 2 minus k minus of minus k. That is equals to 0 because already what collinear అని ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి area of triangle is equals to 0. So if you move this 2 to other side, it becomes 0. Now it will be k plus 1 into what will get done here? Minus k minus of minus plus k get cancelled. You get only minus 3 here plus 1 minus k into ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది minus k and minus of minus plus k, that also get cancelled, right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 plus k into minus k plus k get cancelled, so we'll get 2. That is equals to 0. So it's minus 3k, 1 into minus 3 minus 3 plus 1 minus k plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into k 2k is equals to 0. So minus 3k minus k minus 4k plus 2k, which is minus 2k. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Moving that to the other side, minus 2. Then what is the value of k, nana? 1. So when they given the question about collinearity, in this way we can solve, nana, right? So this is about collinearity, like where if they mention like 3 points are collinear, area of triangle equal to 0, then we will use this area of triangle formula and equating to 0, nana. Simple concept, right students? Next, locus. So first of all, what is the locus? Like every students will have a doubt about this locus of a point and all. Locus of a point ante, see, you can see that the locus of a moving point is the path traced out by that point under one or more geometrical conditions. Ante for example, if they might discuss about something like this. Ante for example, let us say P is a point which is equidistant from A and B. So equidistance from A and B ante it can be anywhere on this line, right? Something like this, something like this, something like this, anywhere. They are not saying the perpendicular distance or something. Anywhere you can say that it is going to be equidistant. So the line, the P can be at any point on this line. So when they said locus of P means this equation is going to be the locus of P. So where Like on that line, anywhere we are going to take P, Nana. On that line, anywhere you are going to take P, because we are talking about equidistance from 2 points A and B. ఇక్కడ తీసుకొని perpendicular తీసుకుంటావా, fine. Somewhere here, something like this, whatever it is. Anywhere you take from A and B, that point is going to be always equidistance. So whenever they said locus, that means we are going to discuss about the equation that given point is going to satisfy. Locus and is nothing but we are going to find the equation. We are going to find some relation between given 2 points or given conditions with respect to 1 point, which is on that circle. Maybe circle equation or ellipse equation also. We may have different locus, but at the end of the day, we are going to discuss about equation of a point which satisfy the given conditions and the point. And then you can see that equation of a locus, I just given these notes here. So you'll see the equation to a locus is the relation which exists between the coordinates of any point on the path and which holds for no other point except those lying on the path. That is what we are discussing here now. Simple example I given. Sometimes it can be like they may say that the equation of the locus of a point which is equidistant from origin, simply, which is equidistant from origin. So definitely it can be a circle also. Equidistance ante ante kada, which is having the distance is going to be the radius, something like this. Okay, procedure for finding the equation. So simply we'll assume the given point coordinates as some x comma y or h comma k. So and next time they will give some condition. Based on that condition, we'll write that the equation, then we are going to find the given parameters, that means given variable things. Simple thing. So maybe if we can solve 1 or 2 questions, you'll get clarity. Okay, look at this question. Find the equation of a locus of a point which is equidistant. That is what we are discussing. From the point A minus 3 comma 2, you can see that they are talking about the point which is equidistant from these 2 points. Right now, so we have a point P which is equidistant from A and B. So let us assume that point P is x comma y. That means here we know that PA is equals to PB. So PA, what is the distance formula? X minus of minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Can I write like this now? Right. Next PB means what, Nana? Distance between PB, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Simply we can write like that. Now since we have a square roots, we can simply apply squaring on both the sides to cancel those square roots. Right, students? ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు, x square plus 3 whole square అంటే plus 9 plus 6x y square plus 4 minus 4y. ఇది కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇది x square, y minus 4 whole square ఏమవుతుంది, y square plus 16 minus 8y. So x square get cancel, y square get cancel, and you can see here you have 6x minus 4y. 9 plus 4 ఏమవుతుంది 13. Move this to other side, so minus 16 plus 8y is equals to 0. So what is the answer, Nana? 6x minus 4y plus 8y is plus 4y minus 3 is equals to 0. అదే లైన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, సో ఏ అండ్ బి అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి పి ఈజ్ అట్ ఈక్విడిస్టెన్స్, ఒక లైన్ వచ్చింది మనకి. అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ పి అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, వేరెవర్ ఈ పాయింట్ ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఎలా ఈక్విడిస్టెన్స్. సో అందుకనే మనకు లైన్ వచ్చింది. రైట్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. Find the equation of the locus of P. Yeah, so again they given some condition. Let us assume P is equals to some x comma y. Assume some x comma y. Right? So before that, so modulus of PA minus PB is equals to 4 అన్నాడు. అంటే we can say that PA minus PB is equals to what, Nana? Plus or minus 4. Right? So how we can do it, Nana? So when they given plus or minus 4, ఈ మైనస్ పీబీ నటు పంపించవచ్చు కదా. You will get like PA is equals to what? Plus or minus 4 plus PB. We can write like this now. So after writing like this, then what we are going to do? Nana? We can simply apply squaring on both the sides. So we can simply apply squaring on both the sides. Then we are going to solve it, right? So squaring on both sides cheste, so what you're going to get here, PA square plus 16 plus PB square minus plus or minus 2 4 PB అంటే ఏమవుతుంది 8 PB అవుతుంది, right? So what is PA square is nothing but x minus 4 whole square plus y square direct ga, and 16 plus what is PB square nana, PB square అంటే x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus or minus 8 PB. I'm not writing PB yet because we are going to have a square root on it, right? So y square get cancel, ఇది మొత్తం పంపించేద్దాం, or else we'll expand it. What will get, so x square plus 16 minus 8x is equals to 16 plus x square plus 16 plus 8x plus or minus 8 PB. You do x square plus 16 plus 16 get cancelled. We'll move everything to other side. So we'll get minus 16x minus 16 is equals to plus or minus 8 PB. So 8 common తీసేసుకుంటే you'll have minus 2x minus 1 is equals to plus or minus PB. Again we can apply squaring on both the sides. చేస్తే ఇది ఏమవుతుంది, squaring on both the sides will give you will give you 4x square plus 1 plus 4x. PB square అంటే you're going to get x plus 4 whole square plus y square. Simple గా 4x square plus 1 plus 4x is equals to, దీన్ని expand చేస్తే x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square. Okay, so we'll move everything to LHS. So 4x square minus x square will give you 3x square. Next minus y square. Next 4x 4x minus 8x కాబట్టి minus 4x. 1 minus 16 which is minus 15 equals to 0. Yeah. Okay students, this is how we can find out. The other two, like, enough examples for the locus. So whenever they will give some condition, the one point will satisfy the given condition. But ఒకసారి area of triangle అంటాడు, section formula అంటాడు, whatever it is, we are going to use the same condition only. Okay students. Next, transformation of axis. In transformation of axis, like for example, let us take a point here, some x comma y nana. Okay, appudu, so what happened, like here the origin is some 0 comma 0 and the origin shifted to another point, let us say some h comma k. Ippudu the new coordinate axis is this is your no coordinate axis. Ante ee distance h, ee distance k, ee distance x, this distance is y. Ippudu with respect to this new coordinate axis you can find out this distance as well. ఇదేమవుతుంది, capital X అనుకుందాం. For example, this is capital X and this is, I will assume it as a capital Y. అంటే from the figure what you can see nana, from the figure, so when the origin is shifted to another one, small x is equals to what nana, h plus capital X, and small y is equals to what nana, k plus capital Y. So what are the small x and small y nana, old coordinates. Here old coordinates are what nana, small x and small y, and the new coordinates are what nana, capital X and capital Y. And what are the h comma k, new origin, h comma k is the new origin. So the transformation obtained by shifting the origin to given different point, a different point h comma k anno. Okay na, so adi, so whenever you are shifting to origin to another place, so in place of old coordinates, to get the new equation we are going to substitute this. Or sir, what already new equation ichadu, then how to find the old equation? So move h to other side, you'll get x minus h, and capital Y is equals to what, y minus k. So this is when you are converting old to new, and this is when you are converting new to old now. Okay, So in the question definitely they will mention that. Definitely find the new coordinates and new equation or find the old equation, or they will mention it. Based on that we can do it now. Let us do a simple example. Determine the equation of a curve అన్నాడు. ఏంటి ఆ కర్వ్ 2x square 3y square when the origin is shifted, అంటే origin shift అయింది అంటే ఏంది న్యూ ఈక్వేషన్ కావాలి మనకి, రైట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం h comma k is this. So I want the new equations. I will write small x, I will replace with capital X plus 2, and small y I will replace with capital Y minus 1. So substitute check. So 2 into x plus 2 whole square plus 3 into capital Y minus 1 whole square minus 8 into capital X plus 2 plus 6 into capital Y minus 1 minus 7 equals to 0. Just expand it. So x square plus 4 plus 4x y square plus 1 minus 2y minus 8x minus 16 plus 6y minus 6 minus 7 equals to 0. So 2x square plus 8x plus 8, 3y square minus 6y plus 3 minus 8x minus 16 plus 6y minus 13 equals to 0. So x square terms, only one x square term, so 2x square. Next y square, 3y square. Next x term, 8x, 8x get cancelled. Next y term, 6y, 6y get cancelled. So 8 plus 3, 11 minus 16 minus 5, so minus 13, minus 18 equals to 0. So this is the new equation when the origin is translated to the given point. Okay, right? This is like simple enough. అదే ఒక్కోసారి ఏం చేస్తారు అంటే the original equation is this, the new equation is this, then find the original equation అంటాడు. Similarly capital X already ఇచ్చాడు, so we have to find the small x, right? Okay. So next so sometimes here if you observe in this equation, the previous equation, we didn't get the x and y terms. X square y square is there, but x and y term is not there. So ikkada we have one important point nana, that is the point to which origin is shifted to remove the first degree terms. In the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 now. ఏమన్నాడు వాడు ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్స్ నాన్న హియర్ gx and fy, అంటే x y టర్మ్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి, నాట్ x స్క్వేర్ అండ్ y స్క్వేర్. అండ్ xy టర్మ్ దిస్ ఇస్ డిగ్రీ ఇస్ 2 నాన్న, ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. ఇప్పుడు వాడు ఏమన్నాడు we have to eliminate x and y term. సో x and y term ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి అంటే where we have to shift the origin, అంటే we are talking about we are going to replace x with capital X plus S, excuse me, and y is equals to what? Capital Y plus K. And ఏంటి we are going to replace and a into x plus h whole square అని. So 2h into capital X plus h y plus k, by square capital Y plus k whole square అని, plus 2gx అంటే 2g capital X plus h 2fy y plus k plus c equals to 0. ఇదంతా చేసేసి దెన్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ అన్న ఎలిమినేట్ ద ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఎక్కడ వస్తాయో చూసేసుకొని వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ ఇట్. ఇదంతా చేయడం కంటే కూడా అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఎక్కడ వస్తాయి, ఇక్కడ వస్తాయి. అండ్ here also going to get, here also going to get, this also we are going to get. So something into x plus something into y we are going to get. That is what the first degree terms. You know it of x square term, y square term, xy term అన్నాం. అప్పుడు ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలంటే ఏంటి, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. ఓకే, సో దాన్ని ఈక్వేట్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే you are going to get one simple equation అన్న, that is that గా hf minus bg by ab minus h square, hf minus bg by ab minus h square, comma gh minus af, gh minus af by ab minus h square. So this is what you're going to get when you solve. It's not required, just you should understand like where we have to. That's the reason నేను ఒక ఐడియా ఇచ్చాను. If you solve, you'll get it అమ్మ, ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఏం లేదు. అది అది సింప్లిఫై చేసేసుకొని if you can equate the x coefficient to 0, y coefficient 0, you will get it easily. But this is what the formula, the shortcut directly. And ఎప్పుడు to eliminate the first degree terms in the given equation, that is non-homogeneous equation కదా, given non-homogeneous equation లో ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలంటే షిఫ్ట్ ద ఆరిజిన్ టు hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. సింపుల్. అలా మనకి ఫార్ములా. దీని మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డైరెక్ట్ గా చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా ఇస్తాడు సార్, క్వశ్చన్ ఏముందమ్మా, ఐ విల్ రైట్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్. సింపుల్ గా రిమూవ్ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ terms in 2x square minus 3y square minus 5xy plus 5x minus 6y plus 7 equals to 0. అయిపోయింది. Just comparison, a value 2, b value minus 3, 2h is minus 5, అంతే కదా. That is a general equation. This is our general equation. 2g is 5 and 2f is minus 6 and c value is 7. ఇప్పుడు ఏముంది, abc వాల్యూస్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే you are going to get the point directly. That is how we can do it now. Okay students, right. Next, rotation of axis. Sir, what is rotation of axis? ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక ఏం చేస్తాం, we shifted origin one place to another place. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం రా బాబు అంటే, sorry, just a second, I'll put it in silent mode. Yeah. So rotation of axis. So rotation of axis ki మనం సింపుల్ గా let us take a point here, some x comma y అనుకుందాం. So this is your x and this is your y. ఇప్పుడు we rotated this with some angle theta అనుకుందాం, అంతే కదా. This is what the theta. ఇప్పుడు ఇది x, ఇది తీసుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది, రైట్. ఓకే ఓకే నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు సో దిస్ ఈజ్ స్మాల్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ లెట్ us say small x small y, and this is capital X and capital Y, right? Okay. So now how we can write the small x here? That is what we have to do now. How we can write the small x? Based on that we are going to do. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance students. Yeah. So now how we are going to find out the x comma y అనేది పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ. So this is a small x, right? So small x, if I name it like, okay, this is O అనుకుందాం, let us say this is P Q R, like this you take, this is some S. So x is what on actually OP, అంతే కదా, అది x. దాన్ని we can write as what nana, OQ minus PQ is nothing but OP. So what is OQ? OQ ఏ విధంగా తీసుకోవచ్చు అంటే, you can see that For example, if you write cos theta from here, cos theta is equals to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is OPQRS, దీన్ని T అనుకుందాం, OT, which is OQ అనేది మనకు తెలియదు, and OT is capital X అని చేసుకుందాం. అంటే అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి, ఇది X cos theta అవుతుంది, మైనస్ PQ అనేది ఇక్కడ తీసుకుందాం. ఇది టీటా కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి టీటా అవుతుంది, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 90 మైనస్ టీటా. సో ఇక్కడ PQ is nothing but ST. It is nothing but what అన్న, ST. ఆ ST అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి this is going to be what here, ఈ length, this is opposite, and this is the hypotenuse. సో ఆపోజిట్ hypotenuse కాబట్టి మనకి దీని యొక్క లెంత్ ఏమవుతుంది, y కాబట్టి సో y sin theta అవుతుంది, రైట్. సిమిలర్లీ y తీసుకుందాం, y is this entire thing which is PR. PR ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, OS plus SP, అంటే y is equals to OS. OS is adjacent side here, అంటే which is nothing but సింపుల్ గా adjacent hypotenuse కాబట్టి మనం y cos theta రాసుకోవచ్చు, అంతే కదా, ప్లస్ SP. Where is SP, this one, which is nothing but this తీసుకోండి, TQ అని తీసుకోవచ్చు, which is again going to be ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది మనకి, ఆపోజిట్ కాబట్టి x sin theta అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్తున్నా sin theta is equals to ఏమవుతుంది, TQ by x. So TQ is going to be what nana, x sin theta, right. So that is going to be SP. TQ is going to be same as SP kada, ee rendu same, that's the reason. So now you can see that x is equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y is equals to y cos theta plus x sin theta. సో ఇదంతా ఎందుకు సార్, we need a short cut సార్, మనం ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా, ఒక చిన్న టేబుల్ రాసుకున్నాం కదా, రైట్ ద టేబుల్. సో స్మాల్ x స్మాల్ y క్యాపిటల్ X క్యాపిటల్ Y పెట్టేసుకోండి. You can see in the first one you got small x is equals to what అన్న, x cos theta, అంటే ఇది cos theta తీసుకుందాం, మైనస్ y sin అంటే ఇది మైనస్ sin theta తీసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ y కి ఏమొచ్చింది, y cos theta వచ్చింది ప్లస్ x sin theta, ఇలా. అంటే when you want x, you can write x cos theta minus y sin theta. When you want y equal to x sin theta, y cos theta. లేదు సార్, I want capital X. What is a capital X? X cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Your wish. However you want, you're going to write. But you should understand that small x, small y are the old coordinates, and capital Y, capital X, capital Y are the new coordinates. So that is what you have to understand. Okay. This is the basic example, like idea about the rotation of axis now. Okay, right. So look at the question here. So when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of a curve is this. So find the original equation అన్నాడు, అంటే the given equation is what అన్న, new equation. So అంటే నీకు just try to recall like what you have written. ఇది x, y, capital X, capital Y. ఏంటి ఇక్కడ, cos minus sin cos. So the given is new equation, transformed equation అంటే new equation అది. సో క్యాపిటల్ X ఇచ్చాడు, అది ఏంటిది, x cos 45 plus y sin 45, like this. And capital Y also I will write, what nana, minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45. ఇదేమవుతుంది, sin 45 అంటే 1/√2 కాబట్టి x plus y by √2. ఇది minus x plus y by √2. Yeah. So simply substitute that in the given equation. So 17. So x plus y by √2 whole square minus 16 into x plus y by √2 minus x plus y by √2 plus 17y square. What is y nana? Minus x plus y by √2 whole square is equals to 0. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్, if you take first and last లో 17 కామన్ తీసుకుని, it is like a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is what? 2 times of a square plus b square. Simply we can write like this, because that is the formula. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times of a square plus b square. Directly I wrote that. So minus 16 into, it is like a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square and y square minus x square, because a is here y and b is x, because b coefficient is different. అందుకని అలా చేసాం. ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 పోతుంది, ఇక్కడ ఇది 8 times పోతుంది. Then what we have here అన్న 17x square plus 17y square minus 8y square plus 8x square equals to 0. So 17x square 8x square అంటే 25x square. So, and 17y square minus 8y square is 225. Chichi, 17y square minus 8y square is 9y square. And of course here in the RHS I have 225. I forgot that. That is equals to what, none? 225. That's it. This is how we can do it. Right, students? And now here we have an important point now. Okay, so that important point is, just like how we eliminated first degree terms in the shifting the origin, here we have one point, that is shifting the rotating the angle, rotating with some angle to eliminate xy term in the non-homogeneous equation, to eliminate xy term in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 is actually, the formula is of tan inverse of 2h by a minus b nana, of tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Sir, how we are going to do it, sir? Same like that, rotating kada nana. To eliminate, we have to rotate to this angle. అంటే small x is equals to ఏం రాస్తావు, capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equals to what will write అన్న x sin theta plus y cos theta. Rotation కాబట్టి of course we are going to substitute everything here. x ఇక్కడ substitute చేస్తావు, y ఇక్కడ substitute చేస్తావు, everything. Okay, but ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, we have to eliminate the xy. Where you are going to xy term nana, here you are going to get the xy term. అక్కడ మళ్ళీ ప్లేస్ రిమైనింగ్ వేర్ ఎక్కడ కూడా మనకి xy term వచ్చే ఛాన్సే లేదు. సో అక్కడ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అని చెప్పేసి, వాట్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ యాజ్ xy కోఎఫిషియంట్, that coefficient we are equating it to 0 and we'll simplify, you will get this. Simple. అంతా ఏం అవసరం లేదు. You should know the formula. You should know the formula, which is half into tan inverse of 2h minus 2h times of a minus b nana. Okay, that is how we can do it. అంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా క్వశ్చన్ చేద్దామా అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ లెట్ us say 2x square minus 3y square plus 6xy minus 3x minus 6y plus 5 is equals to 0. I want to eliminate xy term here. So I will write a value is 2, b value is minus 3, 2h value is 6. So what is the formula of theta nana, of tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So కాబట్టి of tan inverse of 2h అంటే 3 by a minus b అంటే 5. So this is the answer, because we don't know the exact value of this. That's the reason we can leave it like this. In this way we can solve nana. Okay, so this is the basic idea about the locus, transformation of axis and rotation of axis. So I just tried to explain the basic way of this. So we need to solve some questions, because I just solved only 2-3 questions from each one. So you need to solve some more questions to get more idea about it. Okay, so yeah, that's all for in this video. In the next video I will discuss straight lines in detail nana. Okay, so if you like it, please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel to get more videos and maths. Okay, thank you.